Hey folks, this is Video Review Chris, and I'm going to be doing a review today on There Goes a Helicopter. This features both Dave Hood and Becky Borg.
This is the spine harness which Marine Corps uses. Basically goes over the shoulders, straps in, they hook up to the spine line, and away they go. Ever seen Superman, Spider-Man going on in the road? That sounds right there.
If safety is good, then everything is fun. That makes this fun. That's why we didn't have to worry.
Alright. Again, There Goes a Helicopter. This is one of the best in the series, one of the funniest, and I would recommend it to anyone. So until next time, this is Video Review Chris saying, thanks for watching.